Welcome to Dearborn, Michigan, a city celebrated for its profound cultural and religious diversity. Known as a melting pot of ethnicities and faiths, this community stands as a vibrant testament to multicultural coexistence. Today, we delve into how Dearborn's faith leaders are not just spiritual guides but also catalysts for social change. Through their dedicated efforts, these leaders foster initiatives that bridge gaps and strengthen bonds among varied cultural groups. Join us as we uncover the powerful influence these faith-driven movements have on enhancing community relations and propelling Dearborn towards a harmonious future. In the heart of Dearborn, an imam stands as a beacon of hope and unity. Actively involved in fostering peaceful coexistence, he leads interfaith dialogues that bridge religious divides. Through these discussions, he cultivates understanding and mutual respect among diverse religious communities. His commitment extends beyond words, as he spearheads community service initiatives that address local needs, irrespective of faith. These efforts are not just about dialogue but are practical steps towards building a cohesive society where every voice is valued and every hand extended in help is warmly received. In Dearborn, a dedicated Christian pastor emerges as a cornerstone of compassion and support for the underprivileged. Her relentless drive manifests through extensive outreach programs, directly addressing the challenges faced by the less fortunate. By providing essential educational resources, she empowers individuals with knowledge and skills that open doors to new opportunities. Additionally, her efforts in distributing food resonate deeply within the community, ensuring that basic needs are met with dignity and respect. This pastor's commitment not only nourishes bodies and minds but also reaffirms the church's role as a sanctuary of hope and support. In Dearborn, a rabbi dedicates himself to shaping the future, mentoring the youth with wisdom rooted in Jewish teachings. His work at the synagogue extends beyond religious instruction; it is an active engagement in community building. By emphasizing the Jewish values of social justice and compassion, he mentors young individuals, inspiring them to contribute positively to society. His efforts foster a community aware of and responsive to social issues, making kindness and equity central themes in their lives. This nurturing approach not only enriches the youth but also strengthens communal bonds, radiating a powerful impact throughout Dearborn. The collective endeavors of Dearborn's faith leaders illustrate a profound journey towards unity and peace. Through their unique yet united efforts, these leaders have fostered an environment where mutual respect and coexistence flourish amidst diversity. The imam's interfaith dialogues, the pastor's outreach, and the rabbi's dedication to youth mentoring and social justice each contribute significantly to knitting a tighter community fabric. Their collaborative projects not only address individual needs but also build bridges between different cultural groups, transforming Dearborn into a model of harmonious living in a multicultural society.